Leo, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at ito ang inyong monthly reading for February 2026. Okay, so general reading, just take what resonates. And another reminder, hindi po ako unang magme-message or magpo-follow sa inyo para mag-offer ng services, so mag-ingat sa mga fake accounts, okay? Leo, what's up? Anong energy ng February 2026 para sa inyo? What's the energy? What's the energy for Leo February 2026? The never-ending story. merong magpapastress sa inyo. Like, paulit-ulit na nangyayari. Pwede kasing hindi mo inaayos to eh. Like, you're just putting it under the rug. The rug? The rug. Kumbaga may iniiwasan ka. Yung bang parang, eto yung problema. Pero dahil nasistress ka sa problema, iniiwasan mo. Pero kahit iwasan mo, andun pa rin yung problema. So, kailangan mo nang harapin yan, Leo. Truth to be told. This is good kasi ipapakita sa'yo yung totoo. Kumbaga, this is like, yung ihaharap na sa'yo na, ito talaga eh, ito yun eh, dapat harapin mo na to eh, ganon. May maa-uncover na mask, okay? Possible na yung iba sa inyo, alam nyo na to na this has been happening for a few months or years, pero iniisip mo na hindi yun nag-i-exist, but hindi kasi ganun eh. That's not how it works. Hindi porket iniisip mo na hindi yun nag-i-exist, hindi yun mag-i-exist. It will always exist until you act on it. Until may gawin ka doon. So, maaring iba sa inyo, meron kayo madi-discover something that might stress you out. No? Oh my God. Clean it up. Oh. So, aayusin mo na siya, Leo, ngayong February. Or this is the suggestion sa'yo ng universe na, linisin mo na yan. Huwag mo na itago yung kalat dumi sa ilalim ng mesa, sa ilalim ng carpet, sa gilid-gilid, sa corners. You will do this general cleaning of your life. Okay? General cleaning of your life for 2026 ngayong February. Kasi it's no longer, hindi mo na kaya, hirap ka na. Nung una, parang, okay, sige, hayaan natin. Pero paikot-ikot ka lang doon sa ganong scenario. Hanggang sa mag-pile up yan, mga problema hindi mo hinaharap. And then, eventually, ikaw rin yung mahihirapan. Mas mahirap pa siyang i-deal kasi nga, patong-patong na siya. Okay? So, you will be shown the way. Okay? May malalaman ka naman eh. You will be guided. As long as you are ready to act on it. The moment na umaksyon ka dito sa mga problema mo na to, nilinis mo, inayos mo, you will have the clarity. You know, the owl, it symbolizes clarity, kaliwanagan ng isip. Lahat ng mga nakatago sa maskara na yan, whatever is hiding sa mask, makikita mo na ng clearly, klaro. Okay? Para rin yung bahay. O example, yung bahay, ang kalat, magulo. 'Di ba? Hindi naka-organize. Kalat-kalat. May hinahanap ka. Hinahanap mo, let's say, yung libro na gusto mo. Kahit anong hanap mo, hindi mo makita kasi nga natabunan na ng kung ano-anong kalat sa iba't ibang parte ng bahay nyo. So, the moment na maglinis ka, makikita mo yun. So, same thing with your life. The moment that you remove the unnecessary, the things that are making your life stressful, making your life hard or mahirap, toxic environment, toxic people, the moment na linisin mo yon, you may need to cut off people sa buhay mo. You may need to leave a situation that is toxic, no longer serving you. 'Di ba? para mag-clear yung head mo, yung mind mo. And that goes to finding clarity. Maliliwanagan ka, subukan mo lang. Okay? Let's see your overall energy. The Star. This is healing. You're finally going to heal from this situation. Magkakaroon ka ng internal guidance. You are going to be more inspired. Now, your challenge is the Three of Pentacles. As a challenge, maari kasing you are not open for collaboration, working with others. Pwedeng masyado mong sinasara na yung sarili mo eh. Kasi nga, you feel like wala nang space for new things in your life because nagpatong-patong na. Marami kasing hindi ka nililet go. Okay? But the moment that you let go of that, more opportunities are coming into you. Maraming pwede pang mag-improve sa buhay mo. You just need to clean. You just need to detox. You just need to cleanse. Remove the unnecessary things. Now, your opportunity. You have the Seven of Wands. Yes, you have the opportunity to defend yourself or to set boundaries. Okay? Pwede kasing everyone's welcome. Okay, ganon. Like, lahat, in-entertain mo. Lahat okay sa'yo. But deep within you, you are suffering. Okay? It's time to protect yourself. You need to have this courage, lakas ng loob sa sarili mo to say no. No to anything, to anyone that will not bring you peace. Hindi magbibigay sa'yo ng kapayapaan ng isip. This people-pleasing energy for you, you have to let go of that. You need to please yourself. Ikaw muna. Sarili mo muna. If it's not making you feel good, it's not making you feel at peace, then that's not the one for you. Okay? Now, your opportunity, the blessing. This is your opportunity, this is the blessing. This is a great blessing for you, Leo. Ngayong February, this is about expansion. You will go on an adventure. The moment na maklear yung head mo, maklear yung isip mo, the moment na nakapaglinis ka na, diba? Imagine mo na lang, na magulong bahay, naglinis ka, nag-organize ka, the energy also changes. Fresh air, parang mas maganda yung pasok ng energy sa'yo, like, you feel better, you feel lighter. Now, you will see the blessings around you. Makikita mo na, oh my God, meron pala ako nito. Ito pala yung nahanap kong libro. Or meron palang, ito pala yung taong nandyan para sa akin, regardless, kung ano nangyayari sa buhay ko. Kasi tinanggal mo na yung mga unnecessary eh. Kasi yung mga taong totoong nagmamahal sa'yo, totoong nandyan para sa'yo, will stay. They will stay. Now, you are finally seeing who they are. You are finally seeing ano yung treasures mo. Ano yung mga bagay na tinake for granted mo before, and now you know their value. Okay? So, as a blessing, you will also expand your knowledge, expand your horizon. You will go on an adventure. So dahil dyan, mas may panahon ka para mag-explore. Kasi malinis na yung isip mo eh. Diba? Marami ka nang pwedeng planuhin ulit, isipin ng mga bago, fresh ideas. Unlike before, na paulit-ulit mong iniisip paano mo lilinisin. Eh kung iniisip mo lang, hindi yun maglilinis on its own. You have to you have to deal with the dirt. You have to deal with the trash. You know? Okay. Then, this is your focus. Your focus is going to be stability. You will stabilize yourself mentally, emotionally, physically, spiritually, and also focus on your assets. What can you bring to the table? Ano yung assets mo? Ano yung values na meron ka? Ano yung valuable sa'yo? And for some of you, this is about stability in your finances. Aayusin mo yung trabaho mo, aayusin mo yung sources of income mo, because that will bring you security. 'Di ba? Okay, what else? Oops, okay. You will have a very strong foundation na hindi magigiba. Choices. There are going to be choices na ipapakita sa'yo. Like, okay, ito yung mga options available sa'yo. Now, you have to choose what is best for you. Huwag mong hayaan na ikaw ay maguluhan. Like, anong gagawin ko? Alin dito? Use your instinct, your intuition. Because you will be shown the way. May papakita sa'yo eh. Kaya kailangan i-clear mo muna yung head mo eh. Clear mo yung mind mo, yung situation mo. Kasi makakapili ka ng best possible decision. Inevitability. You know what? This transformation and change for you is kailangan na mangyari. Whether you like it or not, you will be forced to remove the unnecessary things in your life, mga taong hindi na nag-a-align sa iyong energy, and to do this by yourself. Kasi doon mo mas makikita yung sarili mo kung gaano ka kalakas. Kasi kaya mo pala on your own. Hindi mo na to iiwasan. Kailangan mo na tong harapin. You will have this realization sa buhay mo na, okay, it's time to face this. Kasi marirealize mo na ayaw mo nang nandoon sa ganung klaseng sitwasyon na may magulo or toxic na environment. Diba, sabi ko mag-explore ka. That is your blessing. You have Mercury in Sagittarius in the 9th house. Mercury is learning. This is short distance travel. So, some of you, di ba kapag tayo nagbabasa ng libro or nag-aaral, mas lumalawak para tayong nagta-travel, di ba? Kasi maraming nadadagdag na kaalaman sa atin. And maybe that's the reason why ang aking example kanina ay yung hinahanap mong libro. Kasi there is something that you need to learn or you will learn this February na mag-aalis sa'yo sa isang sitwasyon na yan na magulo. Okay? This is about self-discovery. Okay? Some of you, this is about spiritual awakening or, whatever awakening you can think of. But this is for your own good. Oh, may resistance. Okay, you have Mercury in the 2nd house. Mercury in the 2nd house, this is about learning what you are, what values you want, or what valuable things para sa'yo. So, I think you are going to learn a skill. Meron kang matututunan na isang skill, abilities, knowledge that will change how you earn money, no? Ito ay babago sa paraan ng pagkita mo or kung paano ka kumita ng pera, kung paano mo i-value yung sarili mo. Okay? So if there are opportunities, well actually there are opportunities that are going to come into your life wherein aalamin mo, aaralin mo kung ano yung mga interest mo. And when you, kumbaga parang mag-focus ka doon, kung mag-focus ka doon, you will be the best person for that area or in that area. Like, you can be the expert in that field. And people will come to you. You will attract the right people. Kasi yung hinahanap nila nasa iyo. Seize the moment in life and love or lose it forever. Oh my God, this really makes sense. Oh. Seize the moment. Ano yung moment mo ngayon na kailangan mong maging aware? What is that situation that you want to see? The moment in life and love. So this can be the relationships, people na hindi mo makita yung value nila hanggat hindi mo kini-cleanse or kini-clear yung mind mo. Kasi pwedeng may iba pang mga tao sa buhay mo na ginugulo yung isip mo. At hindi mo nakikita kung sino talaga yung totoong nagmamahal sa'yo. But you know what? It will be shown to you. Yung mga intentions ng tao sa buhay mo, situation sa buhay mo na nakamask, na hindi mo nakikita yung totoo, it will be shown to you. And you will see ano talaga or sino talaga yung importante sa'yo, yung may value sa buhay mo. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. See you again.